I installed a ransomware into my computer and it encrypted all of my files. Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind Tech. So today in this video we're gonna talk about ransomware and we're gonna see how it works and how to stay safe from it. And also I am installing the real WannaCry ransomware into my computer. So let's see what's gonna happen. So if you're new here, I'm Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind Tech. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So what is ransomware? So it is a computer virus that intended to encrypt your files and asking money to decrypt your files. I think you have been heard about this ransomware attack and WannaCry attack. So it was a massive ransomware attack that have been happened. So I will explain you simply what is this ransomware. So it is a malware. If it is get into your system means it's gonna encrypt each and every files that you have in your system, and you can't able to open those files. You can't able to access any of your files. It just give you a prompt like you want to pay this much of amount to decrypt your files, and they will give you a time limit to pay that amount. If you not pay that amount within the time limit, your files will be permanently gone. This is the concept of ransomware attack. So I was curious about this ransomware, so that is why I found out the WannaCry ransomware file in internet. So now we're gonna install that into my system and see what's gonna happen. And disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. Don't try this in your PC. I'm just using a temporary Windows 10 machine on VM, so it's not gonna affect my personal PC. If you try to install this into your PC means it might end you to lose all of your files, so keep that in mind. So come, let's install ransomware. Here I am having the WannaCry ransomware file here. So look at it, just 3.35 MB. So it's just a exe file. I didn't even open it now. So before I'm opening this, so here, look at here. In images, I have some images, pictures. In documents, I have a PDF about ransomware. So here, I'm gonna create folder. Inside a folder, I'm gonna create a text file, just like this video. I'm gonna save it like text. So look at here. Okay, where did that save? Okay, it's saved here. We're gonna move it to this folder. So look at here. Here inside this text file, we have a text, right? So it is a text document only. So, and I'm showing you the extension of this. It is .txt, right? Okay. Now we're gonna install, open this malware, ransomware. I'm just double click it. Okay, okay. Something is happening here in my system. Look at here. There is many files. Many folders, files have been created here. So it's also changing. So I just wanna open the task manager, and I wanna see what's running background. So there is no running apps. Okay, look at here. Look at here. Oops, your files have been encrypted. Okay. Okay, it's asking for a permission, Windows command processor permission. I am going to give S. So look at here. It shows a warning page, a window. It says, oops, your files have been encrypted. So it says what happened to my computer, your files and documents database are no longer accessible. It is encrypted. Okay. So they asked me to pay $300 worth of bitcoins to this address to decrypt those files, and they have a time limit. So we just want to go through the system. So look at here, there is some load premon counters that 2-bit have been running. Try to end this up. Try to end this thing. Okay, the screen have been closed here. So, and look at here, the CPU is hiring. And look at here, still it's running here. We're gonna end this up. Okay, fine. So now, okay, fine. Now we're gonna check the files and images that we have here. So first, let's see the images. So images are looks normal, right? Let's try. Okay, the images are showing. There is no problem with this images, but I wanna see the files here. Okay, look at here. Okay, it's again it's showing the warning here. Okay, fine. So here is the PDF. This is a PDF about the ransomware attack. So now look at the file type. The file type has changed like WNC RY file. So let's check the properties of this folder. So look at here, .WNCRY. Oh my god. So look at here. And you can't able to access those PDF. If you try to open it, can't. I think it will not open. So it's like there is no application for opening this. Okay, fine. So and there is a folder here called please read me. So let's see what's that. So this thing is always popping up. Okay, it's showing the same instructions about this thing. Okay, I just close this. So now let's check out the folder here. So look at here, inside the folder we created a text file, but look at here, it says txt.txt.wncry. So this thing has also been encrypted. So now the only option to get these things up is paying the ransom, but it is also not gonna work. If you thought that you want all your files back, for that if you pay the ransom amount means we can't able to ensure that they will give you your files back. They might get the money and disappear. Who knows? From preventing ransomware attack, you just want to make sure each and every files and softwares that you download from internet. Only download the files and softwares from your authorized source only. So many of ransomware attacks have been happening through cracked softwares, cracked games. We will download some cracked softwares from some unknown websites. So that might cause this kinds of attacks. Be cautious of what you downloading and where you downloading from it. And keeping your security systems, Windows Defender, antivirus, everything up to date and scan your devices properly. And main thing is using cracked softwares, cracked OS also can able to cause these problems. So that's about this video. Hope this video informative to you. Cat questions, ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off for and from Mr. Aravind.